Okay, we've been crushing along the Greg's Racing Parts. We got one last one in this order. I ordered the V15, version 15 tail lights. I think he's on V4, version 4 tail lights. I have those, I think they're version 4, yeah, on my EXIGE. Sick. Look how cool this car is. This car does look better in my opinion than the Evora. Sorry, it's cooler. But obviously we have some cute parts from GRP. We got the center console carbon fiber, the little tunnel there. We have the carbon fiber wrap or ring, which is just really light, stuck on there with 3M. And then we have the OEM Lotus badge. That badge, I removed the other one, which I heard some people say don't do it. And there's 4 prongs. I did do that, and I did do a video, and I've done it twice now. I did it on my ELISE and on this EXIGE, and then also the front there. I have my new one right here, which is funny. I wonder if this is the same size. No, it's a little smaller. And I'm gonna put this on. I guess I'm gonna just try to overlay it. Let's look at this size. Will this cover this one? Nope, that one's too small too. This is just the size for the steering wheel. There's just all different kinds. So Greg's got all the millimeters measured. It's all good. So we're gonna come in here, and this is my 17 Evora, and I don't know how this is in here. I'm assuming there's little prongs. This would be, you know, a flathead screwdriver, or oh my gosh, I don't know how they put that on there. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna overlay it. I'm okay with that. I usually don't do that kind of stuff, but we're gonna try and overlay this time. I usually like to rip everything apart. But that being said, we're gonna put it on there. What we're gonna do is just literally open it up and stick it on there, and it should be good. It's pretty warm outside, it's about 75. I think it's warm enough to not use a hairdryer. So again, that just being said, it's just so yellow. I mean, some people might like it, but when I take a picture like of me driving in the morning, I always like to take pictures of my steering wheel. Instagram, go to my Instagram. It's just so yellow. It's just not me. It's crazy. I think the Amiras now come with the black ones, and I think some maybe come with yellow. I think with most of them just come with the black. They know that most people like that, and they're updating the badge. It's more aesthetic, to be honest. So let's go ahead and just stick it on there. There's the old one, and we'll just stick it on. They were right, just stick it on. That's good. It definitely has some mirror-ish into it. You guys can kind of see me in there. What's up, dude? But it is definitely better. Maybe I should get out of the light or just do it at a different angle. It's really good fitment. Greg, you nailed it. I just removed the backing and stuck a sticker on, and you guys came to my YouTube video to see it, and I appreciate you. If you guys are like on the Lotus Talk or wherever the forum is, the mirror forums, and you're wanting this, you do not need to remove. It is so meant to just stick it on there. And I'll tell you what, it won't come off. Especially if you do it in warm weather like this, you'd have to literally get your nail in there and just start digging to get that thing off. It wants to be on there. It has nice adhesive, very tacky, and then the surface was meant for it. So it's not gonna go anywhere. This will be there for the rest of this vehicle's life, and I really like it. So Greg's Racing Parts strikes again with a 10 out of 10. We've already done quite a few, so let's go over the vehicle. We did the down inside the car, we did the brake sensor pedal, fix the car, goes into sport mode, goes into cruise control race mode. We just did the gas struts on the rear. Actually, let's try that right now. There it goes, it went. Does it come up? It comes up. So we did those. Greg, way to go, man. You crushed it on these bad boys. Then we also did the wheels right here. Look at those, the wheels look good. Oh my gosh, that's looking good. That looks really good. And then now we've done the badge. Wow. So this, honestly, we're gonna be doing the tail lights. They're like $400 maybe. But besides that, this little maintenance stuff is under $100, and it has completely transformed my car. I have sport mode, right? If you guys are having the issue. I have, the wheels look better than factory. I got the steering wheel and the gas struts. All this was extremely reasonable. So if you have any Lotus needs, or you buy a Lotus, the first thing you should do is go to Greg's Racing Parts, or even before you buy the Lotus, you should go to Greg's Racing Parts and see what you're gonna buy, and mod it and dream it. Again, I'm really pro GRP. I like Monkey Wrench Racing for my 2ZZ stuff, but for the Lotus stuff, holy Greg's Racing Parts. So Greg, thanks so much. I appreciate this. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Do these mods. If you don't like the black and red, that's okay. He has other stuff on there. Do your own thing, you know. If you want to be funky and crazy, knock yourself out. I got a triple exhaust. I mean, how funky and crazy is that? So, you know, I hope you guys appreciate these videos with the Lotus Evora 400. Really liking it, really loving this car. The tail lights are on order and they should be here, so we'll be slapping those things on soon. Really awesome mods. Like, subscribe, swingbymitsubishiCom. See you guys next video.